Hello, my name is Rashid Patil.
Hello, myself Praveen Pawar.
My name is Vaibhav Jadhav.
My name is Om Kandeswar.
Here we are we are gathered to explain our governing of steam turbine. Friends, before knowing about the governing of steam turbine, first we have to know about governing. Governing of steam turbine are the mainly used in generation of the machine and generators. Refers to the regulation of its speed and output and power under the varying load and the conditions for the stable, safe and stable operations. There are the four types of the objective of governing. Maintain the constant speed. Despite the load changes, prevent the overspeeding, means the prevent from the damages. Optimize the efficiency by the adjusting the steam, especially the as needed. And the four is the ensure the smooth operations under the varying operational conditions.
As Vaibhav explained about the governing of steam turbine. So there are the four methods of governing of steam turbine. In that, first is governing, throttle governing, second is nozzle governing, and third is bypass governing, and fourth one is the combination of governing. So let's see one by one. First is the throttle governing. The throttle governing is work on the principle of control the flow of steam to the turbine by partially opening or closing the throttle valves. Its mechanism is the governing regulates the opening of the valve based on the speed. If the speed increases, the valve is partially closes. Then its application is used for small turbines where efficiency is less critical. Then the advantages of throttle governing is the simple construction and operations and effective for moderate speed controls. Then the disadvantage of throttle governing is the lower efficiency to maintain the lower efficiency to the throttle process. So next method is the nozzle governing. So principle is that the control the flow of steam by adjusting the nozzle size as much as is the needed instead of depending upon the speed conditions or the load variation. Mechanism is that automatically adjusts the nozzle regulates flow or pressure. Then the application used in turbines, jet engines and fluid systems or heavy machineries. Third is the advantage. Advantage is the improve efficiency, performance and the protect the systems. Disadvantage is the complex mechanism asल्यामुळे advantages of nozzle governing, improve efficiency and performance and protect the system. Disadvantage of nozzle governing is the complex mechanism and the maintenance high cost efficiency. Third method is the bypass governing. Bypass governing principle diverts parts of flow of steam through the bypass governing or system to maintain the consistency of operations mechanism. When the load decreases, excess steam is diverted away to the turbine through the bypass valves. Application common using steam turbines, gas turbines and hydraulic systems. Advantage helps to maintain stable operation and prevent overloads. Disadvantage can reduce overall efficiency and increase system complexity as similar to nozzle governing. And the last type is that the combination of governing. The name itself says the combination of governing means the combination of two or more governing methods such as the throttle and nozzle governing by greater flexibility. Mechanism throttle governing used for the speed control and nozzle governing used to adjust the flow of efficiency. So application is large and high capacity turbines requiring precautions and efficiency. Advantages high efficiency across the wide range conditions and the smooth operation under varying loads. And disadvantage is that one only that is complex system require skill to maintain. With this complex mechanism, so skilled person can only operate this type of governing system.
Vaibhav and Praveen have explained the governing of the steam turbine. I am explaining our working principle. First, as a normal operation. Second is the load increase. third is the load decrease, fourth is preventing overspeed, and fifth is the throttling auto control.
As we will explain the governing of steam turbine. What is meant by governing? It is explained by the Weibo, and Praveen explained by the method of the governing in the steam turbine. When this is the filtering governing, combination governing, closed governing, and bypass governing. And Omkar explained the working of principle. What is meant by principle and its type. And I am explaining the advantage of governing in the steam turbine. The steam turbine is a speed stability. Second is prevent overspeed. Third is a load adaptability and improved efficiency. Then the prolonged equipment life or then the operational feasibility, automatic control, enhanced safety, reduced downtime and compatibility with the modern system. This is the advantage of the governing in the steam turbine.
At the end of our group presentation is governing of steam turbine. My role is to explain conclusion. The governing of steam turbine is essential for stable and efficient operation. The choice of governing method depends on the turbine type, application and operation requirements.